2 points A and B on the equator have longitude 162 degree east and 74 degree west, respectively. What is the shortest distance between them? Take pi equals to 22/7 and radius, which is r, equals to 6,400 kilometers. Okay, 2 points A and B. 2 points A and B. The longitude of A is 162 degree east, 162 degree east, and that of B is 74 degree west. Okay, please pay attention. Now, if you want to calculate the shortest distance, r equals to 6,400. Now, if you want to calculate the shortest distance, the first step is that you have to calculate the difference in longitude. You understand? You have to calculate the difference in longitude. Now, because the points are in opposite direction, you are going to add the degree together. You understand? So the difference in longitude is equals to, now, because the points they are in opposite direction. This is east and this is west. You are going to add them. 162 degree plus 74 degree. Do you understand? So if you add this together, you're going to have 236 degree. Okay. Having calculated the difference in longitude, since you are looking for the shortest distance, you are going to subtract what you have here from 360 degree. Do you understand? So I'm going to have 360 degree minus 236 degree. Okay, 360 degree minus 236, that is 124 degree. Okay, now the next step is that you are going to convert this degree that you have to radians. You understand? And don't forget that if you want to convert theta in degree to radian, if you want to convert it to radian, you're going to have that is theta pi all over 180 degree. You understand? Theta pi all over 180 degree. This is the formula for converting degree to radians. You understand? So if you want to convert 124 degree to radians, you're going to have 124 degree equals to 124 pi all over 180 degree. Do you understand? 124 degree is equals to, in radians, this is the value of theta in radians. Are you getting it? So now, the shortest distance, please pay attention. This thing is simple, okay? This thing is simple. If you want to learn more on longitude and latitude, you can check the link in the description of this video, okay? Now, the shortest distance, arg, is equals to arg multiplied by theta. You understand? Arg, okay. Let's use big arg. You understand? The big arg multiplied by theta, where the big arg is 6,400. You understand? So I'm going to have S equals to 6,400 kilometers multiplied by, now the theta that you are going to use is the theta in radians. You understand? The theta that you have in radians, that is what you are going to use. So theta is equals to 124 pi all over 180 degree. Do you understand? So S equals to 6,400 multiplied by 124 times 22/7 multiplied by, okay, times 1 over 180 degree. Do you understand? Listen, if you are wondering how I got 1 over 180 degree, you know that 22/7, listen, 22/7 divided by 180 degree. That is the meaning of pi over 180 degree. Do you know? So that will be 22/7 times 1 over 180 degree. Okay? So that's how I have this. So the shortest distance is equals to, now you can take the product, this times this times this, you're going to have 1,745,9,200 all over 7 times 180 degree, that is what? 1,260. So the shortest distance is equals to 13,856 kilometers. Okay, let us check the correct option. The correct option to that question is option C. Option C is close. We have decimal point, don't worry. Option C is the correct option. Okay, option C is 13,856.50 kilometers. Now, listen to me carefully. The question is simple. The first step is that just take the difference in longitude, and because they are in different direction, so we're going to add them together. You're going to add the angles together. So I have 162 plus 74 degree. I have 236 degree. Now, because we are looking for the shortest distance, the angle is supposed to be less than 180 degrees. So I subtract 360 degree. I mean, 236 degree minus 360 degrees. So I have 124 degree. I convert 124 degree to radians. Are you getting it? The angle should be in radians. And to convert an angle in radians, you just have to multiply the angle by pi over 180 degree. Are you getting it? So 124 degree in radians is 124 pi all over 180 degree. So it is this angle in radians that I use to calculate the shortest distance. And the formula for the shortest distance is the product of the big R. The big R is the radius of the Earth, and it has been given as 6,400 kilometers. So 6,400 kilometers times the theta in radian, you're going to have this. Do you understand? Okay. Let's look at the next question.